Ah, Fatima. Right on time as always. How are you this morning?
I'm great, sir. And guess what? I've finished my homework.
That's the spirit. Let's see what you've written.
My favorite hobby is drawing. I like to draw pictures of nature, like trees and rivers. It makes me feel happy and peaceful.
This is excellent, Fatima. Your sentences are clear and expressive. Well done.
Thank you, sir. I was worried I might make mistakes. Faruk Sir, reassuring, mistakes are part of learning, Fatima. Let's talk about how you can make this even better.
First, add details to bring your writing to life. For instance, instead of just trees, you could describe them, like tall mango trees or blooming cherry blossoms.
Oh, I see. Adding details makes it more interesting.
Exactly. And second, use connectors like because, and, or so to make your sentences flow smoothly.
Got it, sir? I'll work on that.
Now, let's discuss why learning English is so important. Imagine applying for a job someday. Most companies prefer employees who can communicate well in English. It reflects confidence and professionalism.
Wow, sir? Does knowing English really give me an edge?
Absolutely, Fatima. And it's not just about jobs. English connects you to people from different countries, lets you attend international events, and opens doors to studying abroad.
That's amazing. I never thought about it that way.
Remember, Fatima, learning English isn't just about grammar or vocabulary, it's about expressing yourself. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel.
You're right, sir. I'll start speaking more at home, even if I make mistakes.
That's the perfect attitude. Practice is everything. Let's make this fun. Try these activities. Watch English cartoons or movies. Sing along to English songs. Play word games or puzzles in English.
I love word games. I'll try them with my cousins.
Great idea. And don't rush. Enjoy the process. That's all for today, Fatima. For your next homework, write a short story about your favorite day. Remember to add details and use connectors.
I'll do my best, sir. Thank you for all your guidance.
You're welcome, Fatima. Keep practicing, and fluency will come naturally.